Hey kids, welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 9, Lossless Compression. So far, we've learned how computers process information through binary. We learned that we could use that binary to send text messages and even display images. How we send information, though, is as important as the information itself. Space is a big concern in all aspects of computer science. Space is finite or limited. How many of you out there have had to delete photos from your phone because you ran out of that space? With that idea in mind, we always have to take space into consideration. Two of the most basic concepts in computer science compression, or shrinking data, is lossless and lossy compression. And the first concept we have in computer science is lossless compression. That's when whatever we send can be recreated 100% exactly as we sent it. Compression is just a simple idea. If you think about it, if I said LOL to you, you're going to say, one, Mr. Rhodes, how old are you? But second, you're going to say that means laugh out loud. And because you know that, you don't have to say the word laugh out loud. You can just say LOL. And that means instead of sending 10 or 15 characters, we're now sending 3. That's the idea of compression. Now, whether that information comes back exactly like it or not is what this lesson deals with. We had a neat little lesson to show this. And if you see over here, I have a dictionary with the word so. And anytime the word so would have shown up here, we would have got this little symbol. I can do that with the letter I. And you can see anytime the letter I comes up, we get a little umbrella. Because of this, I am sending less data than the original. Not much, but it's a little, and sometimes that little bit helps. And this is the idea that I can replace all of these umbrellas with an I and get the exact same message over. And really the idea of lossless compression is just a process for reducing the number of bits needed to represent something without losing any of the information. That means the process is reversible with no loss of information. And that's really the key to lossless compression.